Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get TikTok clear mode. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. TikTok clear mode allows you to watch TikTok videos without distraction and remove all of the text and icons that is available right under the video. Simply tap open your TikTok app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage of TikTok, go ahead and find a video that you would like to watch on clear mode. Simply press hold the video. There, you'll be able to see an option that says clear mode, but in my case, it is grayed out right now. That is because I'm recording my screen at the moment. When you are not recording your screen, you'll be able to easily tap on the option and watch the video distraction-free and without the text and icons. That is how you can easily get TikTok clear mode. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.